Good morning. The presentation is based on the cognitive theory of human development based on the pre-operational stage or early childhood development. Presentation outline: what is human development, domains of human development, stages of human development, cognitive theory of human development, Piaget's cognitive stage of development, Piaget's pre-operational stage of development, characteristic of pre-operational stage, social and cultural context shaping development, conclusion and reference. What is human development? Human development are the changes that occurs in a person's life from prenatal development to adulthood development. It focuses on how an individual grow, learn and change throughout their life. Looking at the domains of human development, firstly I will be discussing on the physical development. Physical development, this involves growth and changes in the body, including movement skills, sensory abilities and biological functions. Second one is cognitive development. This focuses on mental processes like, for example, problem solving, thinking, language acquisition, and memory. Last one is psychosocial development. This focuses on social interactions, emotions, personality development, and relationships. Looking at the stages of human development, prenatal development, the period from conception to birth, infancy and toddlerhood from birth to around age 3, marked by rapid physical and cognitive development. Early childhood, ages 3 to 6, characterized by learning, exploration and developing social skills. Middle childhood, ages 6 to 12, focusing on school, peer relationships and developing a sense of self. Adolescence, the period of puberty and transmission to adulthood, marked by significant physical and emotional changes. Adulthood divided into early, middle and late adulthood with different development tasks and challenges in each stage. Cognitive theory of development. Cognitive theory of development refers to how young children think, explore and understand the world. It involves memory, problem solving skills, language and learning skills. The cognitive theory is widely explained by Jean Piaget, a theorist who has addressed the four stages of cognitive development. Four stages of cognitive development described by Piaget are: firstly, sensory meta stage is from the age of 0 to 2 years old, where a child is characterized by motor activity without the use of symbols, right? Second one is pre-operational stages, where the age is which includes the ages from 2 to 7 years old, where a child is developed with languages and memories and imagination. And concrete operational stages, right, 7 to 11 years old. Characteristics are more logical and methodological, in manipulation of symbols. Last one is formal operational stage, 12 years to up, where a child may use of symbols to relate to abstract conceptions. Looking at Piaget's stage of development, first one I will be highlighting on pre-operational stage. The pre-operational stage occurs between the age of 2 to 7 years. It is the age where a child reaches early childhood and starts preschool. During this stage, children begin to use symbols to represent objects and ideas. Characteristics of pre-operational stage: symbolic thinking. Children begin to use words, images, and symbols to represent objects and experiences. Like, for example, a child may use a stick as a pretend sword, or a box is a car. Egocentrism. Children have difficulty understanding other people's perspective. Like, for example, a child might assume that they like a toy, so everyone else likes too. Animism. Belief that non-living objects have feelings, thoughts, or intentions. Like, for example, a child might say, "The sun is following me," or "My teddy bear is sad." Characteristics of pre-operational stage: centration, the tendency to focus on only one aspect of a situation while ignoring others. Like, for example, a child might believe a taller glass has more juice than a shorter, wider glass, even if they contain the same amount of juice. Lack of conservation. Children do not understand that quantities remain the same even when their shape or appearance changes. Like, for example, if you pour water from a short white cup into a tall, narrow glass, a child will think the taller glass has more water. Last one, irreversibility, difficulty in understanding that actions can be reversed. Like, for example, a child who sees a flattened ball of clay may not understand that it can be reshaped into its original form. How social and cultural context shapes developments. Family interactions influence problem solving and communication skills. Second one, cultural practices shapes learning styles. Like, for example, formal education and storytelling, right? Peer interactions foster social learning. Socio-economic factors that access to learning resources. To conclude, to sum up, the pre-operational stage is vital for cognitive development, as it introduces the foundational concepts such as symbolic representation, while also revealing the significant limitations in children's reasoning capabilities, and also understanding these characteristics It also helps parents and the teachers to support the children's growth effectively during this formative period. Thank you.